Thanks to this trick, my house keeps smelling like a rich man's house for 24 hours. Few people know this wonderful tip, which is prepared very easily and using a few ingredients that surely already have in your house. To start this tip, I'm going to use 3 medium-sized lemons. Now, with the help of a knife, we are going to cut the upper part into 2 parts, as I am doing in video. The fragrance factories will not like me to tell you this, since this will have a lasting smell. Once you prepare it, you will stop spending on toxic aromas that usually affect health. The ideal is that you use 3 lemons, since we will prepare a different smell for each room of your. And before I forget, let me know from which country or city you see us, so that I can send you a big... Today's greeting goes to Miguel Angel Alcantara from Chile and to Joelina Contreras from the States. I am glad to know that you are enjoying our tips. Next, we are going to take 3 containers and put the lemons individually in each container. The next step is to take the first lemon, and we are going to start by adding a tablespoon of salt. I am going to make each lemon with a different aroma to put in different rooms of my house. The second essential ingredient that we will use is alcohol. I am going to add 3 tablespoons, which will be more than enough for the preparation of our first. This not only flavors, but it is a very beautiful decoration. When I receive visits at home, they always ask me for this same recipe that I am giving you now. For the second lemon, I will add a tablespoon of coarse salt again. Then I will add a good splash of fabric softener. This one that I am preparing now is ideal to use in your room since the softener will always give that typical fresh smell of sheets and also clean clothes. And if you prefer, you can vary the ingredients and use a disinfectant or other flavoring that you, since the tastes and options are very versatile. Now for the third lemon, I will repeat the process by applying a tablespoon of coarse salt again. Then I will add 3 tablespoons of 70% liquid alcohol. Then I will add about 10 cloves of smell. The latter not only acts as a flavoring, but contains a substance called eugenol, which works as a for insects. I am sure that after making this advice, you will come here to thank me for the result you will get. Your house. Now we are going to place in different parts of the house. In my case, I am going to put it in the living room, in the bathroom, and in the room, since they are places that need the most smell in the house. Prepare it in your house, and I assure you that you will not regret it. If you found this information interesting, make it reach someone who can help you. And if you got here, leave me the phrase, smell like a rich house.
Y si llegaste hasta aquí, déjame la frase, olor a casa de rico.